here we go, beef bulgogi. Let's try it. Well, it's time to eat. Finally, my beef bulgogi. Oh my god. Smells so good. And if you see the texture, the beef rib eye has very different with another beef, because look at this, it's not it doesn't have any fat on it. It's very soft and so tender, maybe because of I put also kiwi on it. As you remember, kiwi has special enzyme, also Asian pear. Now, I don't only have beef bulgogi, but also some appetizer. This is homemade kimchi. This is homemade and very easy to make. I put havuch or carrots, and also cucumber, and of course lettuce. And also the second one is Dobubuchim, which means Korean style tofu. I cook in the pancier style, of course in Korean style. The last one, this one is Gamja Jorim. This is very flavory salted potatoes with Korean style. And this is has sesame oil and also garlic on it, and also of course it's very tasty. Let's try it. Korean, by the way, eat with two types for beef bulgogi. First of all, they eat with steamed rice, and the second one with ssam. Ssam means wrap in Korean, so first, I would like to try with ssam style. So just one of beef bulgogi, like this. And then anyway, Korean also has special sauce. This sauce contains with gochujang if in Korea, but if because not available in the market, so I put instead of gochujang, I use biber sauce. So this is special sauce for beef bulgogi. Just mix them up and you can eat them all together. Here we go. Wow! I cannot wait, and very starving on it. Just wrap it like this. Okay. Oh my god. Amazing, absolutely perfect. Let's try another one. It won't be enough for 500 grams ribeye meat, because I guess I will finish all of them. Anyway, this is special sauce mixed with gochujang, sesame oil, honey, and also soybean sauce. But if you don't have any, don't worry, just put whatever you have. Just sesame oil and also honey and also biber sauce like me. And you also can add the kimchi. Of course, it is a must in Korea. Can you see that? The vegetables make crunchy. This is tofu, Dobubuchim. Anyway, I cook in the pansier style. For 5 minutes. It's perfect. Gamja Jorim. Now I will try with steamed rice. I actually cannot eat without spicy, so I really love spicy sauce. If you want to add more, for example, spicy chili, you can also add any kind what you like. But because this is Korean style, so I'll make everything Korean. I remember when I was in America and I lived in Koreatown, there is so many Korean restaurants around me, and I ate Korean food all the time. One of my favorite restaurant name is I forgot, but I opened 7/24. They never stop working. In the whole day, they always open, and I always come there with my friends or either by myself. Seriously, if you put gochujang with honey and sesame oil and soybean paste, this is so perfect with beef bulgogi. Alright? The meat are so tender, and because I marinate about an hour, marinated sauce taste becomes perfect inside. But if you leave overnight until tomorrow, so you can also cook in another day after marination, it's also perfect. I think it will be more delicious. I should finish all of them. Here, Gamja Jorim. This is flavory salted potatoes with Korean style, which is inside I made with sesame oil and also garlic. Same like beef bulgogi ingredients, but it's different taste. Okay guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Food Diary Nia Dania. Also like and comment this video. Follow also my Instagram at Nia Dania. So we will meet in the next video. Bye! I will finish my bulgogi.